Looking to take your cooking to the next level without spending hours marinating? The OXO Good Grips Flavor Injector promises to deliver more flavor in less time by injecting marinades, brines, and sauces straight into your meat or poultry. Imagine juicy, tender roasts bursting with flavor, all thanks to a simple tool that fits comfortably in your hand and works at any angle. What makes this flavor injector stand out is its thoughtful design. The large, open handle feels natural and easy to grip, so you can push and pull without strain. It comes with 2 stainless steel needles, one wide for thick marinades and minced garlic, the other narrow for thin sauces and melted butter. Both needles store safely inside the BPA-free, clear Tritan tube, which lets you keep an eye on how much marinade you have left. Plus, the color-coded grips on the needles twist on and off effortlessly, even if your fingers are greasy. When you're done, the injector disassembles completely for thorough cleaning, so no residue gets left behind. I tried this injector on a roasted chicken recipe that called for butter to be placed under the skin. The wide needle handled the thick, garlicky butter with ease, injecting it deep into the meat for rich, juicy flavor that you just can't get from surface seasoning. It saved me time and made the whole process more enjoyable. No more waiting hours for marinating or uneven seasoning. It's compact enough to store easily, with the needles and even the instructions tucked inside the tube. At around $17, it's a smart addition to any kitchen aiming for flavorful, perfectly seasoned meals without fuss. If you want to boost your home cooking with deeper, more consistent flavor, the OXO Good Grips Flavor Injector is worth a look. It's designed to handle a variety of marinades and sauces, making it versatile for everything from roasted chicken to pork and beyond. Try it when you're ready to inject some serious flavor into your meals. Your taste buds will thank you.